Yep, you're going the right way. There's like somewhat of a path here. Yeah, this takes us down to the train tracks. And then there are houses up here, so I'd turn the lights off once we get up here. Looks pretty empty to me. Doors are open. Yeah, this house is empty. Let's check out this place first. Yeah, it's empty. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, it's empty in here. What is this? It's like shed or some shit. Yeah, shit's empty. Oh, hey, what are you doing here? Literally right next to this one, there was a house that looked exactly like this on the inside that has since been torn down. Pretty much.
So they're like cookie cutter houses then, probably.
They might be.
Because I mean, it is kind of that kind of neighborhood.
Cookie cutter, white people, what? Chocolate manufacturer, soda fountain, candy shop. Yeah, I filmed that one. That's in one of my videos as well.
It literally sounds like my grandma Hitchie's house.
Where does this door go? Doesn't look like this place is getting fixed up too well.
Oh, go right ahead. Looks like there might have been some sort of toilet.
Oh, I thought you said looks like they might have been living in some kind of toilet. That too, I guess. It's literally a hole in the floor.
Must have been looking at some sort of house.
A house at one point, yes. What's that noise?
Sounds like screeching. Maybe like bats or some shit.
What is behind this door though? It's just a fake door.
I don't know what it was.
You must have scared it off, whatever it was. Matthew, you're a pretty scary fellow.
Where is it again?
I don't know.
Yeah, this place has got electric.
Weird. What's making that sound?
I think there's like, is this like the chimney here? There's probably like bats in it or something.
Oh, that's creepy. Bats in the chimney, damn it.
It's like making like a racing noise or something.
Love how the fucking stairs are carpeted for some fuck all reason. But like this door, where does this door go?
Here, let me.
I like lift a bunch of them up and you try to get in there real quick. Here.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, let me use this piece of metal.
I wonder if it's like,
I don't know. Nah, fuck it.
yeah, fuck it. It's probably like a decoration door. It looks like it could have led
It's
somewhere.
probably just a closet.
Like
That's what you need to come out of.
It's gotta be like a closet, because there's only this much room.
And then you said the door outside led to where? About there? Is that a door right there?
Yeah, it is.
So they covered the door up. Nice.